your story, sing your song. Hear the bells are ringing.